Hello everyone. Welcome to Desilicious Kitchen. Today we are going to see how to cook sweet potatoes or shakarkandi in such a way that you retain their beautiful yellow color with their natural aroma and sweetness, which is lost when you cook it conventionally. But before that, do not forget to subscribe to our channel Desilicious Kitchen and press the bell icon for notifications. We have taken 500 grams sweet potatoes, and now we have taken a pan and we are going to grease it with 2 spoons of oil. Spread the oil all over the pan, including the sides, and now wash the sweet potatoes and place them in the pan carefully like this. Sprinkle very little water, must be hardly 2 teaspoons of water that we have sprinkled. Now spread a wet cloth on top of it to cover the pan. It's a clean wet cloth. Place a lid on top of it and fold the towel like this. And now switch on the flame and lower it to the minimum. Keep the flame very low and place this pan with sweet potatoes on top of it. Now let it cook undisturbed for 25 to 30 minutes. Don't open and see. After 30 minutes, we have switched off the flame and we have let it rest for 5 more minutes. And now, when we have opened it, the sweet potatoes look like they have cooked very well. But now let us test it. You can take a clean knife or fork and run it through the sweet potatoes. As you can see, the knife goes in easily and it has come out clean. Our sweet potatoes are obviously very well cooked. Let us cut it and show you how it looks. Look at that. Aren't they looking so neat? So well cooked. The yellow color is retained and the aroma is awesome. All this is lost when you just cut them and boil them in water. And here we have cooked it without pressure cooker. We can also cook in the same way in pressure cooker. We'll be showing that also in our channel. You can use this awesome sweet potatoes after cooking them like this for any recipe. In our channel, we are going to show you lots of recipes of sweet potatoes. But for now, just see how easily they peel off. Try our method, cook the sweet potatoes this way and give us your feedback here. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Bye. See you soon. Take care.